All right, third graders, you ready to add some pictures to your Google Docs? Remember, if you want to have me print them in color, you need to add them to your Google Docs since you have shared them with me. So here I am in Google, and I can type my person's name down that I'm researching. And once I've clicked enter, I click on images here. I click on images, and here are all the pictures that I have of Annie Oakley. Let's go for this picture here. Once I click on it, I get this little box to come up, and I can right click, and if you're on a Chromebook, that's two fingers clicked at once. And I can click that. I get this option of like all these sorts of things. I can click on copy image, and now I'm going to go to my Google Doc. Now notice I'm using these tabs to go back and forth between things. So here I am back in my Google Doc. The last we left off, you had inserted pages, and we're down here on the page with important dates. What I recommend is doing another insert page break so that you can have a separate page for your pictures. And then you're going to do a right click again, and then you have the option to paste. And then it's doing the thinking, here's my picture, and now I can print it. Make sure you let me know if you want pictures printed. If for some reason I don't like this, I can click on it, click delete, or if I want to make it bigger, because remember, if I have a sheet of paper, this page is about the size of a sheet of paper. So think about, do you want a large picture? Do you want a medium-sized picture? You can change the picture. I would probably go up to here to the zoom just so I can see the whole thing. Let me fit it. Actually, let's go to 50%. Now I can see the entire page. If I click on the photo here, notice all the blue squares that surround it. I can click on one of those and I can drag it, make it as big or as small as I want it. So let's say I'm just happy with a full page one. This is going to be one of my main pictures. I'm ready and I'm done with that. Now make sure you are typing below it. And if it goes to another page, that's totally fine. Your captions. Your caption can be 14. Here I am. Notice my type's pretty small. I'm going to zoom in again, go to 100% so I can see up close. And I'm going to say what this picture is. Okay? Portrait of Annie Oakley. Okay. See, portrait. Changed up a little there. Annie Oakley. Let me go back to here, see if there's any information. It doesn't look like there is, but if your character is doing something, like here, Annie Oakley is represented in a movie, I would type out what she's doing as far as a movie. This is an actor I could portray. And just things like that where you're describing the pictures. Those are your captions, because here's an example of your, let's see, your poster here. And notice how, like, if I zoom in here, underneath this picture right here, I have a caption just stating what is going on in that picture. Okay? So once you're happy with the picture and you have a caption to it, just keep going back and forth and adding pictures to your Google Doc. Okay? And don't forget, insert page if you want to separate pages at all. All right, and good luck.